Asma Vovo. Injani asma lapho? Usafuna ukuphunyuka akhe.
Akuzoneza semakini lesizwe.
Yima.
Akudomulwane yothi ingane yakubonona. Akazokudemule nothi ingane yakubonona. Kodwa ukwazi ukuzovimba.
Sifuna i-discipline.
Usayima.
Mana. Cha mana hayi mina ngumzali mina.
Meeting la.
Yes sekuyona meeting ye crisis. Kuze kube nini? Cha kuze kube nini?
Umsebenzi wami ukuthi
Awakona umsebenzi wakho lapho utakiwe. Cha lapho utakiwe la utakiwe yakutshena mina. Yakutshena utakiwe. Kunenkinga serious la. Suka la sisemhlanganweni la yebo nasikhona singabazali sizolungisa isimo siyosilungisa sizongena vula ungali naye nawe musiphethe la ungasiphethe ummiso nomatshali buka mina ngingane ufundala manje ke cha mana into simple nihlulokuzilungisa isimo ulosimo mtakiwe we don't have patience for anyone for self-takiwe yakutshena yakizwa utakiwe vula la mntana principal asineze order nitakiwe
akuzoneza semakini angithi ingakho nenza kanje
ngiyantshena mina
ngoba lesingane akuzoneza semakini
vula la asilwi thina silwi mana siyamasha asilwi ngiyakutshena silwi siyangena la ngiyakutshena hayi ungaphusha kanje cha manini thina sisi professional discipline asilwi mina ngeke ngihebezeke mina ukungihebeza ngeke ngihebezeke koto sisiboya
akuzoneza semakini
yima
akudomulwane yothi ingane yakubonona akazokudemule nothi ingane yakubonona kodwa ukwazi ukuzovimba
sifuna i-discipline njengamanje
ngazodemulana nizodifenda
incazela sidinga
hayi futhi kunini sifikile lana kunini sifikile
mana ngisebenza ukuba beninayo incazelo nesolution ngaba sizange sifike la yangizwa bese ngiyasifike la ube nencazelo nesolution mina engushoyo ngicela ningivulele ngene meeting yokwenzana udokotela amasimba meeting ekubeni thina sizosiza isikole thina sizosiza isikole yabo yabona ngeke zisebenze la bashintshanani umhlolo wakwenzani ukungqongqosha bakhipheleni ayisakhi imithengo ezaqhubeka la vulani lapha singene ngoba silwi babili noma sibathathu kuphela siyangena usebenzisa umoya nisuke kubamba usikhotheni ummiso nomatshana ngeke sihambe khohlwa wemkhaya uthini asindawo sizongena la
labantu balakule badifenda umuntu ozongilingana
sizosizakala usizakala into engayifuni mina mkhaya iyodwa ngane kwethu mntaka baba iyodwa into engayifuni ilento yokuthi lokuthiwa kubanjwa ama-meeting akwenzani kunenkinga esikoleni ukuba lama meeting abesebenza lezi ngane ngabe le nkinga ikhona yikho
yini epikati ngampela yini epikati
nini mala sizosizakala asilwi ukuba siza nehope labantu Kusandamane wakhona lokho nje.
Awungitshele
Ngiyasandamane lokho ngempela bo.
Uma kuukuthi bamsizela lo muntu abasichazele phela.
Sizongena.
Abasichazele phela. Uma ukuthi bamsizela.
Hayi ungakhuluma kweyisa. Ungakhuluma kweyisa. Asabe kufa sabe jela thina ngiyakutshela. Noma usemsebenzini. Noma usemsebenzini fiseke ngiyakutshela mina buka. Ungeyisa lokho. No, nginelungelo mina. Nginelungelo umsebenzi wokwenzana. Ngithubula phela, ngiyadubula. No, ungazongixhwayisa mina. Ungixhwayise mina. Uyangizwa? Ungixhwayise mina. Mina nginengane efunda la. Awunangane uzosebenza wena. Uhola ngokuvimba mina. Utakiwe usho kubani utakiwe? Yebo nomsulu nje. Sifakeni lapha. Finish.
Hawu lapha nizongena. Azikho umkhulu. Nizongena umkhulu.
Mtshele manje ukuthi kuyaphuthuma.
Sisho umkhulu ngale kunemeeting enapho.
Imeeting yokwenzani? Eyani? Inkinga engaka esikoleni? Umhlolo wokwenzani? Uphi ungqongqoshe? Angithi this country is continuously undermining abantu basemakhaya. Lo dodo ubiza ngani? Ukuthi kunenja kuthiwa ibhubha la ayiboshiwe. Nikhona nina. Ilanguage ukwenzani? Ukuba leyo language beniyazi ngabe lesikhothela kawenzanga leyo nto.
Ngabe kudala
I do respect and I know the rule of law. I know the protocol. Angifuni ukuweyiswa mina. Ningazongeyisa mina. Ilanguage yokwenzani? Mtakiwe. Ingakho mina bengafuni ukuzala. Ingakho bengafuni ukuzala. Nizotsaka ngokuthi khona ingane khona 7 weyingane ungabe indaba zalutho. Yini lento leyo? Esikoleni, which is the best school among all South Africa, above South Africa, is the best school. You are jeopardizing that reputation. Usuka abantu all corners of the world. Bebethi ingane la.
Bazoyilanda namhlanje.
Ngeke beyilandeke sosiqondisa isikole ngoba sakithi siyasithanda. Abantu ababheda yilapha.
Le SGB yakho nengayazi ukuthi singakakhulumi nje lutho ngani sebethi sisacela nisiphumele siphuma kanjani ngoba silwi sifike kahle yiba abantu
uyihambela wedwa yena uyihambela wedwa uyikhubazekele siyakwazi uthi uright
usuqalila kithi angeke nje beze beyibone leyo nto leyo angeke impela
sofa uright mina ngikhuza la ungakabi yami usofa nje uright
baba labana bathi
lawonakala sizova ngeqiniso ke la bona babafowethu bamile nje lapha bayazi deep down in their heart bayabona sidlova ngeqiniso
lalela angazi noma abasekhombeni waphunyuka nakibo uphunyuka kanjani into emaphoyiseni okuqala uphunyuka kanjani emaphoyiseni
thwaba bemkhilishela lapha kuleli veleli isikheqe
hayi abantu abasiphethe babolile laba iSGB babolile kakhulu
yaphaswa la isikole
bakwazi ukucabangela izingane zendawo lezi zokuhamba izinja abangeke bekwazi ngisho ukuyicabangela okwanini yenzeka lento lena lana hayi ukuxhaphazeka phela lokho
buyi uthi kusuka umkhovule egoli uze ula ninivimbile mina awudubuleki umkhovu ngene wenzela ukuthi
hawo ngeke nje nize niyibone leyo nto njengoba ngibona nje ngiyashutha webhuti ungazuqalaze nje ngiyashutha impela ake sizwe ngani sitana sizwe ngani ngizosixosha esikoleni la nibone leyo nto leyo ngazosixosha esikoleni nizodwa siphume nibone leyo nto leyo qobo ake nibone emkhulu leyo nto leyo mawukuthi kufuneke sazane ukuthi njana siphume la kanti ingane edlwengulwa ngamabomu la esikoleni ho ake nize nibone ngempela leyo nto namhlanje
asibona bokuhamba sabana
asibona njalo abokufika la mhlambe bancane siyafika i-appointment angesokwenza i-appointment idlwengulwa ingane la ngesenza i-appointment cha asiyenzanga uyini wena la wena uyini la wena wini SGB manje SGB SGB kwenza lalela baba ngengizozwa ngani mina manje yini niqhamuka nizosithethisa lapha nini niqhamuka nizosithethisa nezandla nisithethiselani nisixoshelani nisixoshelana yini into enisixoshela yona angeke sizwe ngani nina ngeke sizwe ngani nina ngeke khohlwa bhuti khohlwa mina
thina silungisisimo
angithi nathi solungisa sona isimo athi solungisa sona fanele manje siphume la hayi
bafowethu kulungile asambeni bafowethu
asambo emadlala lana vele lana yibo laba benza ukuthi ingane edlwengulu yibo laba ube ne-attitude okokuqala vele nami ufana nami anginandaba ngeke sizwe ngani la iy'ngane ziyadlwengulwa nizokwenza inonsense lana hayi that is nonsense lento eniyenza kule sikole that is nonsense ngeke sizwe ngani sidalo namhlanje nizophuma ke yonke indawo ngeke sizwe ngani sidalo ngikubonile ngifika la uthi une-attitude la mhlawumbe uwonza ukuthi ingane edlwengulwe la ngeke ngizwe ngani mina sidalo khohlwani impela manicabanga ukuthi ngizozwa ngani hayi manje hayi namhlanje ngeke sizwe ngani sidalo ho womadlala woza ngeke sizwe ngalabani laba ngeke sizwe ngalaba
discussions you had with the various stakeholders inside that particular.
Well, thank you very much. Today we are here at Mali High School under Inkatha local municipality. I really appreciate the support that you are receiving from Mamakoko Central School and the leadership of Tech Association in the area who have been working with us tirelessly to support the school and also to deal with the challenges that the school is faced with. But also appreciate the principal and SPP and all educators who have tried their level best to ensure that they produce good results, not only in grade 12 but from grade 8 up to grade 12. The performance of the school very well, and we must really motivate them to continue to do that. That's why we're here, to motivate them, to encourage them, and to say to them, we are happy that the culprit has already arrested again, and we are going to work with police to ensure that the person don't get the pain, because he's no longer allowed to be part of the society. He must deal with his challenges, and we want all the law enforcement agencies to deal with the issue, to work together and make sure that this person don't go out.
Part of the reason why the school produces good results is because learners are allowed to come back and study at night. Are you therefore not concerned following this particular incident?
No, we are concerned about the crime, because this is part of the element of crime. But we are working with all our schools, not only here at Inkatha, at Mali. We are working with all schools to produce their extra lesson plan, of which some of them they are teaching our learners during weekend, others afternoon, but they must have a security, safety plan for our learners, so that we won't again hear that the learners that have been raped.
The school says a few learners have left. In fact, one of them just came now with a parent. What is your call to parents? It seems parents are still panicking. Should more parents want to take out students here, how do you stop them?
We are appealing to our parents to say let's give the school another chance, especially because this incident did not happen in the school. It happened outside the school, but because it's our learners, we want to make sure that they get a proper security plan from the school, but also the community at large, because education is a societal matter. It's not for only those that are under education, but they have a role to, community have a role to play in protecting our schools, ensuring that they produce good quality.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ngine story lesishwenda ngendlela lesimanga support lobe kadlengula abantwana balapha eBizimali High School lesilapha na eNkandla kani kuthiwa sowudlengule 7 abantwana bakulesiya sikolo utholiwe ke nalobhodi ubanjwa bongizwe emqhunu nabogodole ngemva kwezi maphoyisa ahluleke kwenda umsebenzi wawo uthe makabanjiwe wabaleka. I don't know ukuthi ubaleke njani atholakala sekabalekile but ngathi ubaleke twice actually banjiwe futhi sebamfakene emaketane etinyaweni and people are really confused and concerned ukuthi ubale kanjani ejele uphuma njani emaselini. I think kusemaselini or I'm not quite sure but people want to know ukuthi ubaleka njani ubaleka njani. So people are really saying ukuthi justice yala Mzansi iyasfaila as people because umuntu uyabanjwa uphumile ngebail uyabanjwa kuthiwa ungaphandle next thing seniyambona uyahamba 7 bantu besikolo ubadlengule but utholakale wona so ungaphandle again kanjani Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.